I'm a very pious individual. I've woken up at 5 o'clock to go to a church, and now it's 10 p.m. You should be able to see some lightning flashes and some drizzle. So there's a storm coming. And I'm still going to go see cathedrals because they're pretty. So there's 6 churches very close by. You can hear people partying on a Saturday night. But these are the 2 big churches. I was hoping the thunder will roar, but it did not. How disappointing. Here's another church. It's not lit up, so not as pretty. Ooh. These lamps are gas lamps. And apparently some guy goes around lighting them every evening. I missed it because I was eating, but hopefully tomorrow I can find him. We're gonna walk down this dark road to look for the other churches. There are 6 of them in this area. And so we've seen 3. Oh, look at this guy. I think the lightning really adds to the church's atmosphere. If I remember correctly, oh, there we go. To the left. Here's another one. Oh, it's lit up. Nice. This used to be a castle, part of a castle. It's the only part that's remaining. Here's another church. And now, so that's 4. I think they're supposed to, oh, yes. So let's go to the other ones. Look at this. This one has an exhibit. And the exhibit costs 40 zloty, which is $10. It doesn't sound like much, but it's the most expensive single exhibit I have encountered in Poland. And I'm still debating whether or not I want to go inside. Right. Here we are. Much closer to this big one now. It looks so nice, all lit up like this. And I think I'm supposed to stay left, and then we can see the last churches. But about like a 5-10 minute walk away is like a party center for the city, but it's so peaceful here. So that's another church. This one. That's the think, the oldest one in the city. And right there, this dome thing, is church number 6. Well, at least it's nice they lit it up like this, so that I know where's the church. Otherwise, it'd be quite hard to figure out this is actually a church at night, you know? But it is. You can tell by the board there. Probably shows, you know, religious news and stuff like that. Here's the last church. And oh my God. Let's look at this church from the back, because I have a feeling it will look pretty nice. There's also a statue, so maybe we'll end the video at the statue. You can hear the lightning, the thunder, I mean. Awesome. I have to say, the police sirens are really killing the mood here. And okay, we need to find a better angle. Maybe where the statue is will work out. But you know, there are other cool buildings on this area. This area apparently is owned mostly by the church. So there's a lot of like seminaries, apartments for students, seminary students at least, and priests. So this says Faculty of Theology, and under that it says Seminary of I don't know, something. Idiosis. So this is alright. The trees are really killing the view here. That's okay. This is a statue, which obviously we cannot see at this angle. Gotta stand like super far back. Okay. Some grass. Hopefully at 10 p.m. nobody cares. So we'll just walk backwards. Hopefully I won't step on any like dog poop. There we are. There's a statue. Not a good angle for the churches, unfortunately. And there's really no good angle because this giant tree here is this giant tree is actually special. It's like 100-something years old or something. And it's got its own plaque. So, you know, they're not getting rid of the tree. So, I think unfortunately this is the best facade. I mean, this is the only angle to catch the back of this church. And the insides of these churches are, of course, well, I've only been to the one with 2 towers. I've only seen the inside, but all of these churches in this city are very, very active. So that also means that, you know, filming is pretty much impossible. So we can only see the outside. Well, this is the best I can do. And it's starting to rain. So I think it's time. That's the school behind the tree. These trees are, first of all, the trees are nice, but they really kill the view. Oh well. There are some other places I would like to go to tonight before I head home. So let's hope I can get all my plans finished before the rain really starts hitting, because it's getting heavier. Here's a plaque of Saint Jadwiga. Alright, well, that's who she is. some very important figure in this region. Seems like she gave birth. She was wife of a ruler and gave birth to the heir. And yeah. Oh, dragon head, even here in Wrocław. Dragons are an important part of Kraków, but it's pretty cool to see that they have it here as well. So I'll just end the video, I guess. Oh, here's something interesting. But I'll end the video in front of the two tower church because it's a nice view. Oh shit. We're almost there. Of course, oh, there's, I think, professional photographers who are trying to take pictures of these churches tonight. I'm going to ruin their shot. Oh, it's okay. I think I just stand like on the side, and it should be fine.